Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one for Monday's session for option trading is Indian Hotels. On the daily chart, we have a rising channel breakout. This is a support level. I'm going to zoom out the chart. The stock price was making a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and on the level of 350 rupees, it failed to show bullish momentum. It happened twice, which makes it a double top pattern. So currently, after taking, see this is double top. I have marked the two tops, and on the lower side, this is triple top. I'm going to encircle the lows 1, 2, and 3. So price is rebounding from a triple bottom pattern. Did I say top? This is bottom in the form of rising channel. And if there is a breakout above 331 rupees, especially daily close above the resistance level of the channel pattern, then I won't be surprised if we see a triple top pattern at least. I don't know what is going to happen after 350 rupees, but this is minimum expectation out of a channel pattern breakout. As I said, we are looking at a breakout above 331.50 paisa, and if the breakout does take place and there is a daily close above the breakout level, then the stock price can quickly find itself near the double top pattern of 350 rupees. I am going to finish it off with Bhel, and on the hourly chart, the stock has seen a lot of buying over the let me see, last week or so, but due to profit booking, the stock price is slowly coming down. I expect it a huge profit booking, but there are some buyers who are still optimistic about Bhel going to even higher levels. The support level is around 85 rupees. And why I am saying this? See here, this was first time price came at this level, and again, when the second time price came at the very level, there was bit of consolidation, and once it passed the breakout level, it quickly went ahead and made a high of 92 rupees. Currently, this long range bearish candle was threatening to take the stock price around the support level of 80 rupees. But in today's session, buyers came in and I won't say it's buyers, this is nothing but profit booking, or we can say short covering. So this short covering can catapult the stock into even higher levels, and I won't be surprised if the stock price goes on to match the previous high of 91 to 92 rupees in the course of coming week. As I said, I am looking at buying 87 rupees call option only if there is a breakout above 86 rupees. The target is given till 93 rupees, but if there is a huge amount of buying that comes into the picture once the stock start moving in higher 90s, then we can wait and ride the momentum. Otherwise, the best option that we have at our disposal is to trail our stop loss. I will also share these levels in my Telegram channel.